Here's 2 years later of this air conditioner. I put in those blades in January 2024. So let's get to it. I'm gonna set this camera. Whoa! Oh, Jesus. I can't even. Wow, that's good. The air conditioner sounds pretty. Huh? Nice. Nice. It got wet on me. So that was good. There's a Copeland's scroll compressor sound blanket. Bryant. Disconnect box. And there's a gas meter. Yep. There you have it, guys. Let's see. Check. I love air conditioners. Man, I got a new condenser fan motor. I got a new one. It's HP 1 2 horsepower. The furnace got a new motor too. There's a line sets. Pretty cool. Works pretty good. If I need to sell that air conditioner. Alright guys. Hey guys, I got some at me. Okay. I might give the tools to Andy, Chris, because she gets mean, worried about me. So let's get put this away. Let's go put this away. You won't get mad at me. You get mad at me. You got so mad. Yeah, he's pretty mad. He's not very happy. I don't listen to him. Y'all. Okay. Well, I'm sure don't touch it again. I got so wet in my glass. Oh. Thanks.